What if the last light disappears and the darkness takes everything? In a town where light means life, there is only one left. Welcome to Ember Town, a place where darkness consumes the lost.
Meet Eva,
the last one who can protect the light. Once everything was normal, until the light began to fade. The darkness is coming, and it's taking everything. If the last light dies, so does everyone. One choice, one chance to save Ember Town. Face the darkness or become part of it. The lost light will decide everything. The last light of Ember Town.